Did you know that despite extensive research, there are still many mysteries surrounding the sensory world of pythons? Today, we'll explore their unique hearing capabilities and uncover some intriguing facts about sounds they make but have never been fully decoded. Pythons primarily rely on ground-borne vibrations to navigate their surroundings, using specialized anatomy like the Jacobson's organ and bone structure to interpret these signals effectively. Recent research has expanded our understanding of how pythons perceive sounds. Unlike what was previously believed, they can detect airborne sounds, particularly low-frequency ones, within the range of 80 to 1,000 Hz. Studies show that Woma pythons, Aspidites ramsay's from Australia, increase their movement and approach sound sources, demonstrating a behavioral response to auditory stimuli. The audible range of ball pythons is particularly interesting. They hear best between 80 and 160 Hz, suggesting a preference for low-pitched sounds. This capability challenges previous assumptions about snake auditory limitations. Scientists are still deciphering the exact nature of these abilities and how they influence python behavior, making it a fascinating area for further study in the field of herpetology. In conclusion, python's sensory capabilities extend beyond just vibrations. Their ability to detect and possibly produce sounds that have yet to be fully understood highlights the complexity of these snakes' auditory world. What surprised you most about how pythons perceive sound? Share your thoughts in the comments and stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the animal kingdom.